What's up guys, Terex MC-350 right here, and I love music. Like, I mean, you must have guessed it by now, but I really love music. And one thing that really speaks to me when I'm making music is the quality of the sound. Aside from your speakers, you can also use headphones to monitor your sound. Now, but what if you don't use the right headphones, okay? Now, that's what we're gonna find out today. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys, and these are the MC-350s by Mackie. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. I'm gonna tell you my first impression review, and shortly after that, we're gonna have a full review of this, okay? So if you're not subscribed, be sure to go down right there, hit that button, turn on the bell notification, so when I do drop the full review of this, you're gonna be the absolute first person to see it. Now, big shout out to Mackie for actually sending this over for me to test, okay? I really appreciate it, alright? It's been a really nice Mackie summer right here. That's just what I decided to call it. There's a lot of Mackie stuff I'm going to be testing, comparing, using, recommending, and making reviews on Mackie products, okay, along with every other thing that I have here. So if there is something that you like, if there's something I've talked about in a previous video on Mackie, or if you see a Mackie stuff right here and you want to ask me about it in the comment section right down below, I'm also going to leave links, affiliate links to a lot of Mackie products, so you can actually go pick yourself something that you absolutely love and like. I'm going to be recommending my very best as well, okay? So without further ado, let's dive right straight into what we have for today. But just before we do, if you're going to look at Mackie stuff, want to look at a little bit of something from J Black as well. Now, these are the elusive frames, the blue light blocking lenses, and I get a lot of questions. Is that the only design? No, it's not. Are there other designs? Yes. This isn't. It's not just blue light, okay? You can actually get this prescribed. You want sunglasses, it's right there. You want stain, you want plastic instead of stainless steel, it's all there. There's a lot of stuff that's going on. So there's a bunch of designs, there's a whole lot of stuff, okay? And another thing I can actually give you is a 10% discount if you go ahead and use the link that's right down below along with the code, okay? So go check it out, tell me what you think. If you do pick one for yourself, let me know which one it is that you actually picked for yourself. You can actually go ahead and just tag me on Instagram or something, you know. I really love saying stuff like that, alright? So without further ado, let's dive right straight into what we actually have for today.
Alright guys, so here we have the Mackie MC-350s. Now there's actually the Mackie MC-450s, but I'm gonna see if I can actually get my hands on one of those. But for now, we're just gonna unbox this bad boy and see what goes on inside. Now, before we actually get into it, I'm just gonna give you a rundown of the body. We can see the headphones right here in all of its glory, and we do see that this comes included with an external connector. I just call it an external connector. Now this simply just means that you can actually connect this straight into your laptop and actually just monitor your sound from there, or you can actually just plug this one in and just put it into your audio interface. Now behind, we see that it does come with a lot of stuff inside the box, and I'm actually really excited to see what all these things are gonna be. Now the very first thing we're actually greeted with here is an owner's manual, and like I said before, there are the MC-450s, but what we have right here are the MC-350s. Alright guys, now the very first thing that we're actually greeted with is a really nice carrying case. Now I really wasn't expecting this, but this is actually a really nice case. Now we're just gonna put everything aside and just have a moment with the case, and my oh my, this thing is really solid. Like, it is really strong and heavy and has a lot of weight to it and feels like it's really nice quality. Now I'm gonna go right ahead and open this one, and we are gonna see what is inside. And Mackie just keeps surprising with the goodies as we're greeted with a really nice presentation right here. It is clean, it is swift, it looks really nice. Look at how the Mackie logo just aligns. Real perfect, real beautiful. I like it. Now the headphones themselves do squeal really solid, really nice. It has a lot of weight to it as well. Really nice soft squishy materials everywhere. You do have a lot of plastic in there as well, but it feels like it's really built well. You would actually guess there's metal in this because of the weight. I don't know how they did it, but the weight feels really good and all of the materials feel really premium right off the start. Now I'm gonna put that aside and see what else we have in here. And we have a bunch of cords. There's 3 cords actually, so I'm just gonna run them by you really quick. Now we have one auxiliary cable. We also have one cable that is like a telephone, old school kind of design, and we also have one braided cable. Absolutely amazing. 3 cables. I mean, How many headphones do you buy that actually comes with 3 set of cables? That is really nice. And that is your external connector that is going to go into your interface. So either the port is in the front like in the Behringer, or it's right off the back like in the PRESONUS AUDIOBOX 96 Studio. Either way, this is definitely going to fix any sore interface that you're actually working with. Now putting this side by side beside the HD7s for my PRESONUS, and we can actually see how the PRESONUS dwarfs the Mackie. It feels like it's a lot bigger, bolder and better, but to be honest, the PRESONUS are really lightweight and more of the rubbery and plastic design, whereas the Mackie has a lot of weight to it and has a lot more foam and stuff, and it feels like it's a lot more premium quality than that of the HD7s. Now I'm actually gonna test these to be actually sure because of sound quality, but if you guys want to see a full-on comparison, just let me know in the comment section right down below and I will definitely make that one happen. So guys, that's about it. Peace out.
So that's about it, guys. Tell me what you think about that. If there's absolutely something that you want me to test in the full review, just let me know and I'll definitely look out for that, just especially for you, because you do know I go down there and I read every single comment and I respond to every single thing. Okay, so thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, like I said, be sure to hit the subscribe button right down below, so when I do drop the full review, you're gonna be the very first one to see. Big shout out to Mackie again for sending this. All of the links are gonna be right down below. Anything you're looking for is gonna be right down below. Okay, check out my new songs and stuff that's been out for a while now. I play this really nice. A lot of people are liking it. Let me know what you think about it if you've actually heard it though. All of the Apple Music, Spotify, everything, you know, it's right there. It's everywhere. Okay, so thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you around, and stay safe.